85% of all juveniles who interface with the juvenile court system are functionally low literate. If we raise the literacy rates, I believe crime would come down. If we raise the literacy rates, I believe people would no longer need welfare the way that they currently do. If we raise the literacy rates, you wouldn't find young black and brown kids going into the court systems the way that they are. Why? Because at fourth grade, school changes. See, everything's pictures and letters and numbers all the way up to about fourth grade. Then they start hitting you with this wonderful thing called story problems. Now you got to be able to read to figure out the problem. You have to read to figure out the answer. And if you struggle with literacy, now from fifth grade on up, reading is required for you to move forward. And if you can't read well, you can't do this math, you can't do this literature, you can't do this science. We can go down the list. Right. And then we wonder why 2 years after they graduate, we see them on the 9 o'clock news at night. But I'm telling you, what other option do these young men have when we know that 85% of the brothers in juvenile are low literate?